Hello everyone, Chef Eric and welcome back to YouTube channel for yet another amazing recipe. And this is a special recipe. It is my roasted red pepper pasta. For all those mechoka na, the regular tomato pasta and minced meat and meatballs. If you're tired of something and you want to try something new and you probably have like extra peppers hanging around, this is the pasta recipe for you. So let's get started. So to make our roasted red peppers for the base of this pasta sauce, we're going to start by preparing our peppers. So you want to preheat the oven to about 200 degrees Celsius and set it to the grill or broiler setting. This is basically going to be like a square with fire symbols at the top, meaning heat will come from the top element only. Now to prepare your peppers, you just want to cut them into two and then remove the centers. You can either use red peppers, orange peppers, yellow peppers. As long as they're not green, that's perfectly fine. This recipe is especially good if you have peppers that are going bad in the fridge and you don't know what you're supposed to do with them. Once you have your peppers ready, you want to chop them up into even sized pieces and you can now start to grill them. Place them onto a large baking tray that's lined with some foil or parchment paper and coat your peppers in some olive oil and a pinch of salt. Give them a nice toss and then place them skin side up. This is just going to ensure you get a nice char over the top. Cook for about 25 to 30 minutes on the broiler setting until they get charred at the top and they have like a blackish color and they're really soft. Add them into a large bowl and cover with cling film and allow to steam for about 10 minutes. This is going to allow the skins to come off a lot easier, so to have a bit of an easier time. So to peel these, I didn't have a definitive method, but make sure you get all the skins off, otherwise it usually causes some stomach issues and like a really weird sensation in your stomach basically, so it's not good to keep the skins on. So peel the skins with either a fork or a knife or your fingers or whatever you find a better method of peeling them, and then add them into a blender and blend with a splash of water. Set aside and you can now start to work on our sauce. So in a large saucepan, you want to add in some vegetable oil and go in with one small diced onion. Cook until translucent on medium heat and then add in your garlic and cook until fragrant. Next you want to add in your tomato paste and cook out your tomato paste for about 2 to 5 minutes. Add a splash or two of water to help you get like a nice smooth consistency. Once it's nice and cooked out, you want to add in that pepper pasta from earlier, the one that you blended until smooth, and give everything a really good mix. Now you can start to season. So here I decided to go with some salt and some black pepper along with some oregano I ended up adding off camera. The food recipe will be in the description box down below if you're interested. Add in your pre-cooked pasta and give everything a really good mix. You can garnish this with some coriander or whatever herbs you have on hand. And you're done. I really hope you guys give this recipe a try, and if you do, make sure you tag me over on Instagram, TikTok and Facebook. I'd love to see how it turned out. Make sure you guys like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more amazing content every single Monday.